Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna sell my luxury handbags as every Wednesday. Because if you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm a bag lover. So if you are too, you are on the right video. I usually sell luxury pre-loved handbags as this Lady Dior that I have in my hands. Everything is authentic and authenticated. You have my website just here, pamluxurystore.com. I ship worldwide. So let's dive directly into this video and check what I have to sell today. I have plenty of things, plenty of bags and accessories. You want to stay until the end of the video because I have a huge bag, huge surprise. First time I had this bag, you're gonna be shocked. And you have no shop of this brand in the US, I believe, or like one or two. So you're pretty gonna love it. Okay, so let's start with this bag. I almost kept it for myself because it's soon to be my birthday. I'm born 9th of May. I bought something else, so I'm soon gonna be like an unboxing. But this one was on my wish list. So I was like, oh my god, like should I keep it or not? But I can't because I had another bag. So you know, I cannot have everything so far, and yet I wish one day, but so far no. So it's for you. This one is a Lady Dior medium size khaki color with a strap. This is a 2010 year for the bag. Gold hardware, beautiful bag. The condition I would say is very good. It was retinted. It was already khaki, but it was a little bit retinted. I would say like retinted or repainted, but it's like gorgeous. You can already see it. If you don't know exactly, if you're not an expert, you're never gonna see the bag was repainted actually. And it was original color. The hardware is like a little bit like starts to tarnish a little bit, but it's beautiful. It's color, and it's not really gold. It's like more champagne color. Champagne in French because I'm French, by the way. You can hear probably with my accents, but yeah. The corners are good, like little bit rubbed, but almost nothing. Bottom of the bag is gorgeous. You have the 4 little feet, great condition for this one. Inside of the bag now is beautiful. Like inside is details in leather, fabric inside is like beige, I would say, beige brown. Few little stains, but so little. And you have the zipper pocket that is very good. I have the Entropy certificate for this little baby. So Entropy certificate is, I don't know, by the way, do you know Entropy or not? Let me know in the comments if yes or no, you know them. I might do a video where I explain what is Entropy, how it helps us to authenticate bags and accessorize. It can be interesting actually because it's such a nice tool. It helps us authenticate bags. It's very safe also. Yeah, and the price for this one is 2,490 euro. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna go for something else, more like summer vibes now. It's like a bracelet from Hermes. This is like a happy one. So this one is a double toe. So I'm gonna try to put it myself, but I never know how to put a bracelet on my own. Oh, well, I did it. Okay, so this one is a small size. It's some leather, blue, beautiful. It can be mixed, or either for men or women. This is a small size, so it depends on your waist. I'm gonna put on the product page on my website the centimeters. This way you can calculate it directly. Silver hardware, beautiful one, like, yeah. S is here, and the price is 275 euro. So this is actually such a good price for this type of bracelet. I do not have the box, either of the dust bag for this bracelet, but I think it was never used, so it's as new. I'm just interrupting a little bit this video because I wanted to tell you that this weekend I will be in Annecy with Vincent and my mom for the Salon de Vintage. So this is a big event. This is like a vintage event, vintage fair, I would say. This is a Saturday 4th of May and Sunday 5th of May. It's at the Espace Rencontre. Annecy is close to Geneva. Actually, it's like not so far. If you want to contact us or to come to say hi, be free. We are going to come with lots of bags and accessories to sell. So we're going to have plenty of them directly there. So if you want to meet us in person, be welcome. I'll be super happy to welcome you, to know you for real. Anyway, I'll see you probably in Artsy. Thank you so much for the interruption. Let's go back to the video. Okay guys, so next bag that I wanted to show you is this amazing Dior bag. This is a tote. It's kind of the Lady Dior tote version. For this one, I do have the dust bag just here. That is very good. And I also have an Entropy certificate. Entropy certificate is a tool that helps us to authenticate bags, plus our certificate. Super excited because this one is gorgeous. Condition is excellent on this one. This is silver hardware, black leather, beautiful. On the bottom of the bag, same, it's very, very good condition. Corners are excellent. You have a full little feet that also are in excellent condition. The handles are also amazing. Like, condition of this bag is insane. It was so well cared. Inside you have huge pockets. Like, you have one zipper pocket here, another one here. That is very, very good actually, and amazing. Like, amazing bag. Oh, I love it. This is a 2012 year handbag, and the price for this one is 1,600 euros. Okay, next bag that I have, or item. I'm gonna do an item. So I do have this little agenda monogram canvas, super cute. I love it. Outside is actually very good, I would say. Little rubbed on the corner here, but otherwise super great. Press button works perfectly, and up my price tag. Inside is very good. This is kind of a vintage one, but still super good. The only thing I would say is here inside you have little rubbed, but otherwise amazing condition. You have every photo on the website. You can buy directly there. I will link again, pamluxurystore.com. Price for this one is 190 euro. This is very good. I ship worldwide. Again, I ship worldwide. Now I have such a pepite, a beauty that you've been asking me quite a lot. It's been super hard to find, but you know me, I have it. So I do have the dust bag for this one. And voila. This is an Alma BB. I love it. BB size. This is so freaking cute. It's gorgeous. Monogram canvas. I do have the strap, padlock, and keys. But no, yeah, it's like a very cute little bag. I would say condition is good. I will let you know why, but monogram canvas is amazing. Leather has some little stain. It was used a little bit. Corners are a bit rubbed, and the part where it's a bit damaged is here. I think a little cat just put his nails inside the bag. Can happen. It's nothing that big, but still I have to mention it. So it's just a little bit here. The leather is a bit damaged. It can be changed if you want at Louis Vuitton directly or not. Here also a little bit on the handle, but otherwise very good. I also had a copy of the invoice. It was bought in 2021. And the inside also is very good. You have like a little stain. I think it can be removed actually. I will let you know. I will check. But yeah, very good inside. You don't have the date code inside because it's a new handbag. RFID ship inside. Since 2021, Louis Vuitton does not have a date stamp inside. So yeah, now this is a very good one, and the price is insane. Price of this one is 895 euro. This is crazy, guys. This is so low. I love this bag. I do actually have one in epi leather, in blue, dark blue, and might consider like having also a monogram one because it's actually very useful, and it's kind of super easy to wear. You can wear it like on the hand, you can wear it here on the shoulder or crossbody. This is what I like about it, and I could also add another strap that I have on another Louis Vuitton bag. Anyway, other bag. I had the Artsy bag. I'm so excited. I do have for this one the dust bag. So dust bag is here. I also do have the entropy certificate for this baby. This one is a medium size. Conda is quite amazing. Corners are very good. Little feet under. Hardware is a little bit tannish, but obviously this is not a brand new one. Handle is a little bit dark underneath, but otherwise amazing. I love the handle. Details on the handle, on the leather handle is beautiful. Now let's go to the inside of the bag. We have, I will try. So we have a suede leather inside. This is cool. You have a large zipper pocket. You have multiple pockets inside. This is a very practical bag. I will try to show you with photos on the website. You have photos on the website, obviously. One little stain, but otherwise super good. And the price, I do not remember the price for this one. I'm sorry. Where is my price? Yeah, here. Okay, so the price for this one is 1,790 euro, which is actually a very good price for this babe. This is the Artsy medium size. Voila. Let's do something else now. Oh yeah, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love this. This is a Céline handbag with a dust bag, so I'm quite excited actually. I'm gonna check this right now. I love it. Like, oof, beautiful. So we have here a Céline And this one is the trapeze one. This is a tricolor, black, taupe, and beige suede leather. Full leather, suede leather. So this one is very good condition. The only thing is on the suede part, you have little stain, but it's so tiny. Then you have the bottom of the bag that is also very good. Beautiful, beautiful. You have a large pocket on the back of the bag. You have a large handle here. You can wear the bag like on the shoulder because it's big enough. Then let's open the bag together. It's beautiful. I love it. So inside the bag now, look at this. It's huge. Like, it's such a good condition. You have little pockets. It's gorgeous. I love it. Actually, it's insane, insane, insane. And for the price, it's so low. You're going to be shocked. It's 559 euro. So yeah, go for it because it's such a good deal actually for this one. This is the second time I have one exactly the same. Well, never exactly the same, but almost. What else? Chanel. So I have the box and we have a small card holder for this one. This is kind of a vintage one. Serial number, like serial code is, I'm going to give you the serial code. Starts with a 7, so it's not that new also. You have one pocket here, one larger here, and 2 on the other side. Gold hardware. Hardware starts to be a little bit used, but that's it. Otherwise, amazing condition, and the price is 330 euro. Amazing. I'm sorry if the light goes up and down because the sun is playing a little bit today. So you might see some changes of light during the video. I'm sorry in advance. I hope it's not going to bother you, but yeah, sorry. Okay, then I do have another bag that I just love so much. An Evelyn. So this one is the GM size. Color is, I believe, like biscuit. It's not really gold. It's more like a biscuit, between biscuit and gold, I would say. Gold hardware. It's a vintage. Like, it's a vintage one. But I love it. You have some little useness on the bag, in front and on the back. Little stain. You can see it was used a little bit, but otherwise that's good. The strap also is a little bit used, but also same quite good. Let's open the bag. Inside has little stain. It's suede leather inside. But otherwise, still good condition. Like, it's good condition. Price for this one is not that bad. It's 1,870 euro. Sorry, I was going to say USD, but no. This is a cool bag. Like, I love it. Like, this is not full right now, but very nice. It's like an everyday bag. You can use whenever you want. It's like, it lasts in time. Like, look, it's a vintage. Still here. And I do have the entreprise certificate also. Let's dive into the last bag that is insane. And this is the first time I have one like this, actually. Yes! This is a Goyard. I'm so excited. I do have like the shopping bag for what it's worth and the dust bag. So I'm super excited. Actually, I do have also the entreprise certificate for this little baby and papers. Yes. We can call it such a bag. A beauty, like a pépite. This is a Saint Louis GM size. This is a must. This is the biggest size you can get for the Saint Louis. Black leather and kind of black, gray, brown, I would say, on the canvas, the pattern. So excited. This is brand new. Like, my client never used it actually because she's not using it. She has another full and in the end she's not using it. So she was like, yeah, I cannot return to the store this item because it has been more than the authorized time. So yeah, she was kind of blocked. I offered her to take it in consignment. She accepted. I'm happy because it's the first time I have one. Each time people gave me these bags to sell, the price were so expensive. And this one was okay. You have also inside the little pouch with the protection paper. It comes with the entreprise certificate, okay, guys? It's brand new, and the price is 1,570 euro. I know in the US you almost have no store. In France you don't have that much, but still. And in the UK, I believe you have one in London, or maybe 2, but that's it. So, and it's always full. So here is your opportunity to get one, and it's so practical. Like, it's huge, like huge, huge. Well, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Go on the website if you want to buy anything. I ship worldwide. It's shipped from Spain, so if you are from the US, UK, or outside of Europe, you will probably have to pay customs. I will try to help you if you want to know exactly how much is customs. I can of course, help you. If you have questions about it, do not hesitate. But if you add customs, it's still very interesting to buy with us. So all good. I hope you're well, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bisous.